Yeah, this is a hole in Turks and Caicos. So that's 200 feet down. And that's lead to the sea. Way down, have no bottom. You see, divers go down in that, can't find the bottom. That leads straight to the sea. Look at that. You see, this is the island, that's a nature of beauty. Just look at that. Turks and Caicos is a place where people must come discover, man. Very nice and beautiful. Yeah, really beautiful. So this is in Long Bay, Providenciales, Turks and Caicos. Time you ready? People, you just come take a look. Remember, it's beautiful. Yeah, man, one love, I'm out. Yeah, nice. Surrounding there. Lot of cactus and those stuff here too, you know. See it there? Beautiful place. And this beautiful island, nature of beauty. Turks and Caicos. Yeah. Yeah, see them there, that's the cactus there. See them, a lot of them on this island. So you can come check it out anytime. So again, see the hole here? I said they're 200 feet. That's just where the divers lead to. Still can't find the bottom. Leads straight to the sea in Turks and Caicos. Here it is. Okay? Alright.